Your car's engine is a symphony of precision, and the spark plug is the conductor orchestrating the combustion melody. When these small yet mighty components falter, the entire performance of your vehicle takes a hit. So how can you tell if your spark plugs are playing out of tune? Let's dive into the world of automotive melody and unravel the signs of a bad or fouled spark plug. The symphony of misfires. Imagine your engine as a finely tuned orchestra, each cylinder playing a vital role. When a spark plug misfires, it's like a musician hitting the wrong note. You might feel a noticeable jerk or stumble in your vehicle's performance. A rhythmic misfire often points to a spark plug in distress. The sooty residue. Picture a musical instrument covered in dust. Not a pretty sight, right? Similarly, a fouled spark plug will be coated in black, ashy deposits. This sooty residue signifies incomplete combustion, hindering your engine's harmony and efficiency. The shaky idleness. An idling engine is like a composer crafting a serene prelude. However, if your engine idles erratically or feels unusually shaky, a problematic spark plug could be disrupting the calming notes. Inconsistent idling is a red flag for potential issues. The fuel efficiency blues. Good fuel efficiency is the sweet melody of a well-functioning engine. When spark plugs are faulty, your vehicle's fuel economy might take a nosedive. Keep an eye on the gas gauge. A sudden increase in fuel consumption can signal a spark plug chorus in need of tuning. The startup stumble. Every great performance has a memorable beginning, and your car's engine is no exception. If your vehicle hesitates or stumbles during ignition, it could be a sign of worn-out or fouled spark plugs struggling to strike the right chords. Solutions to harmonize your ride. Now that you're tuned into the signs, what's the solution? Replacing spark plugs is like giving your engine a fresh set of strings. Regular maintenance and prompt replacement can keep your automotive symphony playing smoothly. Revitalize your car's performance. Subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights. Share this knowledge with fellow enthusiasts and hit the notification bell to stay in tune with the latest tips and tricks. Together, let's keep the road symphony playing at its best.